The art of perfect rice, techniques and tips for every cook. The video will explore the art of cooking perfect rice, delving into different techniques and tips to achieve the ideal texture and flavor. It will provide viewers with practical advice and guidance, empowering them to confidently cook perfect rice in their own kitchens. The science of rice, understanding the grains, the anatomy of a rice grain. Explain the different parts of the rice kernel and how they contribute to texture and cooking time. Rice varieties. Explore different types of rice: long grain, medium grain, short grain, etc., and their unique characteristics. The impact of starch. Discuss the role of starch in achieving perfect rice texture and how different varieties behave differently during cooking. Perfect rice. Mastering the basics. The right ratio. Emphasize the importance of using the correct water to rice ratio for different rice types. The art of rinsing. Explain the purpose of rinsing rice and how it helps remove excess starch and impurities. Choosing the right pot. Recommend suitable pots for cooking rice and explain why certain materials are preferred. Advanced techniques for elevated rice. The absorption method. Demonstrate the classic absorption method for cooking perfect rice using a stovetop. The pressure cooker technique. Explain how using a pressure cooker can significantly reduce cooking time while achieving excellent results. Rice cooker magic. Explore the convenience and reliability of using a rice cooker for consistent, effortless results. Beyond basic rice. Exploring flavor profiles. Infused rice. Share simple yet impactful ways to infuse rice with flavor using herbs, spices, or aromatics. Creative toppings. Present a variety of toppings that elevate plain rice to a delicious meal, from savory to sweet. Rice in different cuisines. Showcase how rice is used in various global cuisines, highlighting unique flavor profiles and cooking styles. Rice recipes for every occasion. Classic fried rice. Share a foolproof recipe for a classic fried rice dish featuring simple techniques and adaptable ingredients. Risotto perfection. Guide viewers through the process of making creamy and flavorful risotto, emphasizing essential steps and timing. Rice pudding delight. Present a comforting and satisfying rice pudding recipe, offering variations and customization options. Content created by artificial intelligence may have errors. Always double-check important information. Thank you for watching our channel this far. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Please like, subscribe, and share.